going to do is I'm going to add some content from this other system. So I'm going to take this industry machine file and I'm just going to drag and drop that into my shared media folder, which is going to automatically upload that content into Iconik. Again, only the proxy is going to upload by default. So I come into Iconik here and I'm going to give that just a moment to update. After that, I'm going to do my search, and here we go. I can now see this new asset, industry machine, is in Iconik. So I can see the source facility is Los Angeles Mac Mini 1, and currently the original format is not found in cloud storage. I'm going to click on the request button to request that it be brought into cloud storage so I can work with this source content from my second facility. In the admin section, I can check out the jobs tab and I can see this transfer process that is currently in a waiting state while this content is being transferred up into the cloud. We can see that the transfer is finished. So now what I'm going to do is come back to my local system. Now I'm looking at Iconik on Safari on my local system, and I can see our industry machine is the first asset up here. If I double click on this and then check the formats tab, I can see it shows original industry machine MP4, which means that it does have a copy of the original in the cloud. So now I'm going to switch to Adobe Premiere on this system. Within here in the upper left hand corner of my Iconik panel, I can simply come over to my Smart Search and choose my Los Angeles Mac Mini assets. Inside, I see my industry machine asset, and now I can select that asset, right click, and say Open Asset. It's going to import that directly into my Premiere project, and now I can start working with it in Adobe Premiere on my local system, having shared that content from my second facility.